Hey y'all, it's me, BB, and I'm back at it again with another video. This video, I am telling y'all about my top 10 favorite benefits since I transitioned to a plant-based lifestyle. I made a list so I didn't forget anything. Okay, so number one for me is my period is shorter. My period used to be 7 to 10 days, y'all, 7 to 10 days, and then I had endometriosis. I had the surgery and they removed the cyst, and I actually had a benign tumor. In order for them to diagnose you with endometriosis, you have to have the surgery. So I had the surgery, they removed everything, but it ended up coming back. So studies show it comes back in 50% of women. So I was like, dang, well, I got that for no reason. But when I transitioned to a plant-based diet, lifestyle, my period is now 3 to 4 days. That's enough for me to just stick with the lifestyle, because who want to be bleeding for 7 to 10 days? I'll take the 3 to 4 days. Okay, the second one is clear skin. I've never had bad skin, but my skin is tea. Skin is tea. I love that. Number 3 is more energy. I have so much energy, and I have people ask me all the time, oh my gosh, girl, you be having so much energy. How you have so much energy? Literally, it's what I eat, how I eat, how often I eat. Number 4, mental clarity. When I tell you, I just have the mental clarity that I've never had before. It's easier for me to figure out what I want and what I don't want. And it's easy for me to tell if I eat something and it doesn't agree with me. I can immediately know, like, oh, I ate this. That's what's causing this. If I eat something and then I break out or whatever, I can be like, oh, okay, I don't need to eat that. Versus if I was still eating meat, animal products, you eat so much and it has so much in it, it's not clean, and you don't know where it came from. So yeah, that's my number 4. Number 5, this actually should have been number 1, is no body odor. When I tell you, I don't have to wear deodorant anymore. I don't have to wear deodorant, and my bowel movements, they don't smell anymore. When you are what you eat, that saying is so true. That saying is so true. Okay, so number 6 is I gained a community of like-minded people who aren't eating the standard American diet, which causes so many problems, like the menstrual cycle. I had my cycle was 7 to 10 days. I was eating the standard American diet. My cramps were really bad. I would break out. It was just so many problems. So having that community and other women who are plant-based, and they're people who have been plant-based longer than me, they're telling me about their experience, their benefits. So I really love that. Number 7 is the excitement. I love learning. So this was just everything to me, because I just dove off the deep end. And ever since then, I don't know, I just love it so much. I'll just cheese and think about it. Okay, so number 8 is weight management. If you've been following me for at least since 2020, you can see that I've slimmed up. Before I was plant-based, I was about 180, 185. The highest I ever been was 190. I've never been 190 in my entire life, let alone 180. So 2020, COVID time, I gained about 5 pounds. So that's when I was 190. When I stopped eating meat and everything, my body just naturally shedded off the excess weight. You don't need all that weight. And then I was getting tired of being looked at as a piece of meat because my booty was so big. And number 9, excuse me. Number 9 is gut health. When I tell you, I used to be so constipated, eating dairy, eating processed food, all that stuff. So ever since I became plant-based, I'm more regular now. And I love that for me, because for every meal that you eat a day, you should be making that many bowel movements. If not, it's literally just in your body. And that's why you have BO. That's why your armpits stink. And that's why your bowel movements stink. So yeah, get that in check. Number 10, less inflammation. So my face, when your face is really inflamed, that's because of your diet. So when you're eating a bunch of junk food, processed foods, you won't even see definition like that in your face. So now that I'm plant-based, I live a more healthy lifestyle. I'm intentional about everything I eat, my skincare, everything. My skin looks fantastic. My jawline is defined, and you can see everything. You can see everything. Like, and me being a bald woman, I care about how my skin looks because I don't have hair. I can't hide my face or anything. So I care about my skin being clear and not being puffy. Even when I wake up, my skin isn't puffy. And I love that. And there's so many benefits, to be honest, but this was just my top 10. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope y'all try to just give it a try. Give it a try. I do have a 21-day detox guide, and I just want you to challenge yourself. 21 days, fruit only. Give your body a reset. Give your body a break, and just see how you like it. And I also have a free how to transition to plant-based vegan lifestyle. It's for free. Just try it out, and I give my personal experience in the guide. So yeah, peace and love. Thank you.